Yo, what is up, you guys? I just got to the gym. Today I'm hitting back and delts. Delts are your shoulders. So let's get into the video. I will show you guys all of the workouts that I do to target my back and delts. So our first exercise is going to be on the cable machine, and it's going to be a cable straight arm pull down, and we are doing this for 10 to 12 reps and 3 working sets, 2 warm-up sets. Our next exercise is barbell rows, and we got these for 8 to 10 reps and 3 working sets, 2 warm-up sets. And since it's 8 to 10 reps, we have to go heavy. So we're back at the cable machine, and now we're going to do a single arm underhand pull down. Normally I like to do this on the machine itself, but it's taken right now, so we're going to use the cable machine instead. It works the same muscles. It's supposed to work the side lat there. And I forgot to mention that we are doing this for 10 to 12 reps and then 3 sets. While we have the cable machine, let's do face pulls as well. We are going to do 12 to 15 reps and 3 sets. Face pulls are to target the back of the shoulders, also known as your rear delts. Free weight section, and we're going to be doing chest supported lateral raises. This is also a drop set and 12 to 15 reps. I have 3 different weights. I've got 12.5, 10s, and 7.5s, and then I'm using a bench to support my chest, and I will show you guys the setup. All night. Tell me why I can't sleep without you at my side. You got me feeling like a fool when you pick fights. Tell me why you have so much pride. Tell me why I can't sleep tonight. Tell me why, 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 tell me why I can't sleep tonight. Superset, so we're going to superset rear delt flies with upright rows. That's it for today's workout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys all in my next video.